be showing you guys today how to put your Toyota Hybrid into maintenance mode. First thing you want to do is turn the ignition on. In park, tap the gas pedal twice, shift to neutral, gas pedal twice, back to park, gas pedal twice, and you're good to go in maintenance mode. All you gotta do is turn it on, and it will be idling without turning off. Because without this, your car will turn on and then it'll turn off in a little bit because it's a hybrid. I'm working on a Toyota RAV4 today, but this procedure will work for any Toyota that is a hybrid. Now to take it out of maintenance mode, all you gotta do is shut the car off and then turn it back on normally like you normally would, and it should be ready to go, ready on.